Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you some holiday hair inspiration. Keep on watching. So these are the 12-inch Boho Locs with curly ends from Toyo Trust in the color 1B. I am using the Crochet Method to install these locks. So I'm starting by crocheting the lock onto my braid, and then I'm going to just pull the braid through. And then I'm going to go in and crochet the braid through the root of my hair just to make sure that it's secure. So now I only have this small section to wrap with the wrapping hair, which will make this install process a lot more easier. So now I'm going in with the crochet hook because I am going to crochet the wrapping hair right underneath my hair, and then I'm just going to wrap it around. So I start by wrapping it around the base 2 or 3 times, and then I just start wrapping down, making sure to wrap it close together so that there are no gaps or spaces in between. Then I just keep wrapping around until the last string, and then I palm roll it, and that's it. As you can see, there's a little piece of my hair sticking out, so I'm just going to take a small piece of that wrapping hair and just wrap it around, and you won't be able to see that piece anymore. So I know we rarely get a back view on these hair tutorials, so I decided to show you how I installed the locks in the back of my hair. This was a super quick and easy install. I will leave all of the information for the hair in the description box so that you can check it out. Here are the final results. I am absolutely obsessed with these boho locks with the curly ends from Toyo Tress. Absolutely loving this look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.